Today we will boil Sichuan pickles corn soup. Sliced corn and Sichuan pickles. Button mushroom cut half. Put all ingredients into Instant Pot and select soup button, let it cook for 30 minutes. Soup is cooked. Look at the clear soup broth. This soup have sweet corn taste, it's appetizing. Seasoning to taste, I personally think this is just nice. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Let's fried rice with preserved radish today. Chopped preserved radish, lemongrass and onion. Stir-fry onion and lemongrass. Add preserved radish and dried shrimps. Add rice and stir-fry evenly. Season with oyster sauce, light soy sauce, pepper powder and chicken powder to taste. Off flame and drizzle sesame oil, stir-fry evenly and fried rice is done. You may enjoy your fried rice now. Yummy? This fried rice is easy. You can taste crunchy preserved radish on every bites. Give it a try. Add and fried egg even better. Share this recipe out to your friends and family too. Let's fried mala kway teo today. Ingredients are kway teo, dried shrimp eggs, onion and mala sauce, sliced onion. Kway teo cook until softened, drain and set aside. Best eggs and set aside. Scrambled eggs and set aside. Fried dried shrimp until fragrant. Fried onion until translucent. 2 tablespoons of mala sauce. Pour in kway teo, fried evenly. If kway teo stick together, you may use fox to fry and separate it. Season with fish sauce and dark soy sauce to add color. Add dried shrimps. Add half portion of scrambled eggs. Yummy! Smell good! Garnish with remaining fried eggs and fried mala kway teo is done. Look at the kway teo, yummy! This recipe is so easy. Share it with your friends and family too. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes, ya. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.